Corsair 175R in under 2 minutes. Elegant mid-size chassis, brushed aluminum look front bezel with a tasty RGB logo. Top and bottom caps are polished for contrast. We like that additional touch of the design. Up top you're going to see a I/O that consists of two USB 3.0 power and reset switches, a combo mic headset jack, and in the top you're going to find support for 240mm radiators, two 140mm fans if you choose, 120mm support in the rear, up to a 160mm CPU tower cooler, full-length PSU shroud, all tucked behind that elegant full-length tinted tempered glass. Switching towards the back of the case, you'll see that there's two SSD trays included, an additional two combo trays for your HDD or SSDs as you see fit. Alongside the motherboard are going to be three pass-throughs for your power cable, SATA, etc. In the back you're going to find plenty of cable tie locations that will make tidying things up a breeze. In the top and bottom of the motherboard you'll find an additional three pass-throughs for any of your auxiliary cables. Popping off the front cover will reveal the 120mm fan that's included. That provides illumination also for your front logo. Plenty of mounting. You can mount up to a 360mm radiator in the front of this, which is really impressive on a case this size. The case itself is a budget option. We appreciate it. There is a couple of videos out there, but nothing that went through the capabilities, so hopefully this has answered some of the questions you might have. If you have any other questions, just throw a comment down in the comment section. We'll be looking out for those and do our best to answer. Let us know that you like videos like this or want to see more by hitting the like button or hitting the subscribe if you're so inclined. Appreciate your time, appreciate you. Have a good evening, good morning, whatever it might be. Have a good one.